Hello my friend, this is Mike from SeaWater Pro. In this video I will show you how to wire the North American blue motor for 120 volts. As in this schematic here, you can see the numbers and everything. Also, rotation does not matter, and neither does polarity. So we're going to join together tool number T1, T3 and T8 to either the neutral or the hot, and then the remaining three wires, which are T5, it's on the directly opposite side. That would be T4 and T2 go to either, again, the neutral or the hot. Polarity does not matter in AC motors. Thank you for watching.